Hi and welcome back to the Cook with Cameron. Since you guys have been voting for it and the results were so close, I'm going to be making both recipes. Today we'll be making chicken fricassee, which will be found in the Recipe Tinny's website and the Recipe Tinny's dinner cookbook. And the link for it will be in the description below. Everything you need in front of me. Let's get started. So first off, debone my chicken, but that's optional, and now I need to season it with salt and pepper. First we add butter to a hot pan. Now we add the chicken. And now they're cooked, remove from the heat. Now we add the onion, mushrooms, garlic, thyme, and bay leaves. And now let them soften. Add the flour and mix it in. Now we add the wine. And now let that simmer for a couple of minutes. And now it's time for the chicken stock. Now add the chicken back to the pan and cover and cook for 10 minutes. Now we take the lid off and cook for a further 10 minutes. Now we remove the meat. And now we add the cream and mix it in. And finally, we add the chicken and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. And then we just dish up and serve. So there you have it, chicken fricassee. It's one of my favourite meals and it's an amazing meal. And I can't wait to dig in. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Take care.